How would your life and business change if you had a plan, clarity, and simple action steps that you are excited about and are easy to follow? Having these elements in place help my clients grow their revenue by 30 and even 300% during the global pandemic. Even during these challenging times, they have manifested desires they thought were not even possible for them. My name is Renia Orr, and I am an international business strategist and success coach. I am an expert in helping women build financially successful businesses and reclaiming their financial freedom. If you are great at what you do, but you feel that for some reason you can't take your business to the next level and make the money that you really want, I will help you do it. I'm hosting a powerful workshop to teach you how to map out your business success in 2022, and I want you to join me. Sign up using the link below and add the date in your calendar now. You will leave this workshop with a strategy that you can start implementing right away. I look forward to seeing you on March 7th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time for this life-changing workshop. This event is complimentary. My gift to you for a successful 2022.